Hi guys, I'm Omar and welcome to our channel Know It All. This video is about top 10 nuclear power countries in the world 2020. Sit back and relax. We hope that you will like a video. If you do, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to get more amazing and informative videos. Here we go. At number 10 we have Iran. Their nuclear warheads have not been published, but some inside reports have shown that Iran is one of the most powerful countries. The nuclear program of Iran has included several research sites, 2 uranium mines, a research reactor, and uranium processing facilities that include 3 uranium enrichment plants. In 1970, Iran ratified the Non-Proliferation Treaty, making its nuclear program. At number 9 in our list we have North Korea. They have 20 nuclear warheads in total. North Korea has a military nuclear weapons program and as of early 2019 is estimated to have an arsenal of approximately 20 to 30 nuclear weapons and sufficient fissile material for an additional 30 to 60 nuclear weapons. North Korea has also stockpiled a significant quantity of chemical and biological weapons. Alright, at number 8 we have Israel. Israel have 80 nuclear warheads. Israel is widely believed to possess weapons of mass destruction and to be one of 4 nuclear armed countries not recognized as a nuclear weapons state by the Non-Proliferation Treaty. The US Congress Office of Technology Assessment has recorded Israel as a country generally reported as having undeclared chemical warfare capabilities and an offensive biological warfare program. Officially, Israel neither confirms nor denies possessing nuclear weapons. Okay, at number 7 we have India. India has developed and possesses weapons of mass destruction in the form of nuclear weapons. Although India has not made any official statements about the size of its nuclear arsenal, recent estimates suggest that India has 130 to 140 nuclear weapons and has produced enough weapons-grade plutonium for up to 150 to 200 nuclear weapons. In 1999, India was estimated to have 800 kg of separated reactor-grade plutonium with the total amount of 8,300 kg of civilian plutonium, enough for approximately 1,000 nuclear weapons. At number 6 we have Pakistan. Pakistan began development of nuclear weapons in January 1972 under Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, who delegated the program to the chairman of Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission, Munir Ahmad Khan, with the commitment to having the bomb ready by the end of 1976. Pakistan's nuclear weapons development was in response to the loss of East Pakistan in 1971's Bangladesh Liberation War. Recent estimates suggest that Pakistan has 145 to 150 nuclear warheads. At number 5 we have the United Kingdom. Nuclear power in the United Kingdom generates around 19% of the country's electricity as of 2020, projected to rise to a third by 2035. The United Kingdom established the world's first civil nuclear program, opening a nuclear power station, Calder Hall, at Winskill, England in 1956. In October 2010, the British government gave permission to private suppliers to construct up to 8 new nuclear power plants. Currently, UK have around 215 nuclear warheads. At number 4 we have China. The People's Republic of China has developed and possesses weapons of mass destruction, including chemical and nuclear weapons. The first of China's nuclear weapons test took place in 1964, and its first hydrogen bomb test occurred in 1967. Tests continued until 1996 when China signed the Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty. China has acceded to the biological and toxin weapons Convention in 1984 and ratified the Chemical Weapons Convention in 1997. Recent estimates suggest that China have over 280 nuclear warheads. Alright, at number 3 we have France. Nuclear power is the largest source of electricity in France. France has a long relationship with nuclear power, starting with Henry's discovery of natural radioactivity in the 1890s and continued by famous nuclear scientists such as Pierre and Marie Curie. In November 2018, President Macron announced the 50% nuclear power reduction target is being delayed to 2035. In 2020, Energy Minister Elizabeth Borne announced the government would not decide on the construction of any nuclear reactors until Flamanville 3 started operation after 2022. Recent research suggests France have over 300 nuclear warheads. At number 2 we have the United States of America. The United States was the first country to manufacture nuclear weapons and is the only country to have them used in combat. With the separate bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in World War II, before and during the Cold War, it's conducted over 1,000 nuclear tests and tested many long-range nuclear weapons delivery systems. Between 1940 and 1996, the US government spent at least 9.49 trillion USD in present-day terms on nuclear weapons, including platform development, aircraft, rockets, and facilities. The United States produced more than 70,000 nuclear warheads, which is more than all other nuclear weapon states combined. Recent estimates suggest that USA have around 6,200 nuclear warheads. Alright, at number 1 we have Russia. The Russian Federation possesses approximately 6,500 nuclear warheads. In addition to nuclear weapons, Russia declared an arsenal of 39,967 tons of chemical weapons in 1997. The Soviet Union ratified the Geneva Protocol on April 5, 1928 with reservations. The reservations were dropped on January 18, 2001. Russia is also party to the Biological Weapons Convention and the Chemical Weapons Convention. The Soviet Union had a peak stockpile of 45,000 nuclear warheads in 1986. It is estimated that from 1941 to 1991, the Soviet Union produced approximately 55,000 nuclear warheads. In early 2019, more than 90% of the world's 13,865 nuclear weapons were owned by Russia and the United States. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Please share your feedback in the comments and yeah, wait for the next one. Till then, stay awesome, stay connected.